Here's how to install Red Hat Enterprise Linux on your PowerEdge server. First, configure your virtual media. In this example, we're providing a network path to the ISO, but you can also select an ISO on your local machine. Return to the dashboard and click Start the Virtual Console. Select Power, Power on System, then Yes. Then Boot, Virtual CD/DVD/ISO, and Yes. The system will boot to the Red Hat installer. Select Install. When prompted, select your language and continue. Click Root Password. Enter and confirm your password, then click Done. Optionally, you may also create a standard user. Click Time and Date, choose your location, then Done. Choose Software Selection to select a base environment and any additional software. Here we're choosing a minimal install. Go to Installation Destination and choose the disk to install to. By default, the disk will be partitioned automatically. Click Done to continue. If your disk has a previous OS installed, click Reclaim Space to format it. This will destroy all data on the disk. Click Delete All, then Reclaim Space. Optionally, click Network and Host Name to configure your network settings. Then connect to Red Hat to install using the latest packages from the Red Hat repositories. If you choose to do this, you'll again have to go to Software Selection and select a base environment. Click Begin Installation. Once complete, click Reboot System, then log in as root. To check your Red Hat subscription is connected, run subscription-manager list. Then, to check all packages are up to date, run dnf upgrade. Thanks for watching.